And life isn't all about eating eggs, although I have to tell you, it was rather lovely. No, I need to keep this cricket pitch in good shape for when Ian Botham comes to play. Or is it a bowls pitch? Are we expecting Drake? Yeah. Well, apparently Drake is in his hammock and 1,000 miles away and dreaming all the time of Plymouth Hoe, so I guess he won't be coming to inspect the bowls green, will he? No, but that's tidier. Right, next. Now I fully understand none of you really want to watch lawn mowing or gardening or weeding. All you lot want is an Agria mini-cot or mini-cot, whichever, to look at. Now I've pulled half the shroud off. I thought, why not, we'll give that a clean. I don't think that's been off for a while, do you? But what I really wanted to look at was this little thing. This screws on to the bottom screw of the shroud housing, and it's a very, very simple cut-off button, a short circuit cut-off button. And I was looking at it, I did wonder if maybe, just maybe, it was leaking juice. So I think we'll undo that little screw and tidy that wire up a bit. You know, it is just a simple short off of the magneto. You know, it's a piece of spring clip with a plastic jobby thing. But I was looking at that thinking, I wonder if that was leaking juice. You know, juice as in spark. Yep, we'll tidy that up a bit.